Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e Evoque Edition. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Lantau bronze. Let's begin our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascade on the sides of this vehicle, you're going to find further black contrasting features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. To the right of the vehicle, you're also going to find extra added storage space. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony grain leather seats, with their own climate control systems which they can tailor to their own individual preferences. Within the cockpit, you will find your 12-way driver and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Glimpsing over at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel and advancing to your Pivi Pro touchscreens. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.